Okay, welcome to my video. This discusses specifically problem, I believe, 4B, but more generally just these setup problems where you have a voltmeter registering uh, some potential difference across a piece of metal or which has some mobilized charges as a result of a power source. Typically, these exist, I believe, with like some kind of magnetic field. Excuse me, but I'm not going to talk about that right now because my issue is actually with the way the voltmeter reading worked. So on the test, it says that the voltmeter reading will measure positive, which is what we have here, if the positive lead is attached to the area with higher potential. So what that means is this is higher potential, uh, and this is lower potential, I guess, relative to the higher potential up here. Now, my issue is that I didn't connect this to the sign of the charges of the particles that are clumped up here at the top and here at the bottom to create this potential disparity. In other words, I thought higher potential was where all the negative charges were. That is incorrect. Higher potential is where the positive charges are, and this is relevant because it basically it messes up the direction of the perpendicular mag or electric field that is driving these charges up and down. It's different than the power source drive. The power source drive is moving, side to side horizontally. There's a perpendicular field that's moving charges up and down in order to create these potential gradients vertically across this piece of mobilized metal. So in reality, there are positive charges up here at higher potential. I didn't get that right, and it messed up the rest of my work because I basically had the sign of everything flipped from that point forward that dealt with, inferring information from the sign of the voltmeter. So my issue was not understanding that higher potential on the higher lead produces a positive reading. It was understanding that there are positive charges at the zone of higher potential and negative charges at the zone of lower potential. I thought it was the other way around. So that was my mistake. It's very simple to fix. And after that, you just finish the rest of the problems, as I attempted to and as you normally would. But this was my hang up, and this is me hashing it out, so I hope you enjoyed my video. There we are.